What is up, everyone? Welcome to Canvaplay!
Hello, good hearts and godsends. My name is Simon, Goodheart VA, and welcome to our channel Canva Play. We make videos here in Canva Play to share Canva design tutorials, tips, tricks, and hacks that will elevate your Canva skills for free. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications just below this video so you don't miss out on every video we post here as we upload new videos all the time. Alright then, let me start our today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a bubble wrap effect in Canva. If you've seen our tutorial on plastic foil wrap effect, a cool way to make your designs or images interesting to look at, then this tutorial is a bit similar to that, except that I replaced the plastic foil I used there to a bubble wrap. As we all know, bubble wrap is a pliable transparent plastic material used for packing fragile items. This bubble wrap will then be used to seal your beautiful images to make them artistic and eye-catchy. In Canva, bubble wrap effect is very easy to create. How? Let's get into Canva and I will show you how to create a bubble wrap effect. But before that, here is the design that I will create. I am now in a blank Canva design page and let's create a design. To start, get your subject image from photos or uploads. I will get mine from photos and I will type in the search bar the keyword beautiful couple. And I will use the first image here with the keyword beautiful couple. A very inspiring photo to use in this kind of effect. I want the colors of this photo to be emphasized a bit more. To achieve that, using this image, I'll go to Edit Image, scroll down and see for the Adjust settings, click See All, and I will increase the saturation settings to 35. And I will decrease the blur settings a little bit lower just to make it a bit crisp and clear. To proceed, I will set my image as my background. I'll adjust the image by a little going down like this by double clicking the image background and then dragging it downward or dragging it down like this. Perfect. Now, since we're going to create an effect wherein an image is covered by a bubble plastic wrap, then we'll be needing obviously a bubble wrap material as an overlay to this picture. The next step is go to photos and type in the search bar the keyword bubble wrap material. As you can see, you will see many options here of bubble wrap materials. What I'll use is this one. And I will show you the keyword, which is bubble wrap. Click it to use in the design. Finding keywords is hard and time-consuming, and you need to do a depth search and a lot more time to find this kind of keyword. If you want to save time and find extraordinary keywords like this in Canva, we have created an ebook called Canva Deep. Canva Deep is an ebook of 900 plus Canva search keywords with visual presentations that are widely known in deep search to help you find the exact stock Canva resources for your day-to-day designs. To continue, I will apply and adjust filter settings to this overlay so that it will turn transparent and blend with our subject photo, which is the couple. Using the image, go to Edit Image. Scroll down and find the Adjust settings. Click See All. And change the following settings to Brightness, 5, Contrast, 25, Saturation, 80, Blur, -5, X-Process, 11, Clarity, 3, Vibrance, 17, Highlights, 100, Shadows, -100. And what I'll do next is I will change the transparency to 40. I will now resize it to occupy the whole page like this. I will position it middle center and lock it. I'll zoom it in for you to see the texture of the bubble wrap material. See? Cool, right? This is now the final look of the design I created using the bubble wrap effect in Canva. As easy as that. That's it. For more design inspirations, watch this. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And to be updated with our upcoming videos, click subscribe. Drop your comments below for the tutorial you want to learn next time. Before I end this video, I hope I inspire your creativity. I'm Simon, Good Heart VA saying, sharing is caring. In behalf of Pinky Godsent VA, thank you for watching this till the end. Don't forget to hit that little bell icon so you don't miss the next video with another exciting Canva tutorial. Bye guys! See you in the next video!